Good morning standard 5 students. Today in this class we will discuss about metamorphic rocks in chapter 6 rocks and minerals. So let us discuss about metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks. So metamorphic rocks are formed through the change that is known as metamorphosis. That means the change in the form, change in the phase of the rocks of igneous and sedimentary, that is presently existing rocks. They only change their form and they become metamorphic rock. When rocks are subjected to high heat and high pressure, hot mineral rich fluids or more commonly some combination of these factors, they all change the present igneous and sedimentary rock into metamorphic rock. So, let us see about the metamorphic rock formation. Metamorphic rocks are formed by the effect of heat and pressure on existing rocks. You can see in this picture, this can greatly affect the hardness, texture or layer patterns of the rocks. That means heat and pressure changes the hardness, texture and layer patterns of the rocks and they become a new rock, that is called metamorphic rock. You can see under high heat and pressure, the pressure from upper surface is increasing and the heat is also increasing. So, they change their texture and hardness and they become metamorphic rock. You can see different types of metamorphic rocks are here, different patterns are made, different layers are made in this rock. So, let us see about more. In this you can see how sedimentary rock from erosion is coming, igneous rock from volcano is coming and metamorphic rocks from heat and pressure. Now, metamorphic rock is under from pressure, hot magma is also present, that is changing under high pressure and heat. First it is changing into igneous rock and after that under more high pressure and heat they changes into metamorphic rocks. So, let us see how rocks are formed, metamorphic rocks. Here some more information is there. Metamorphic rocks are formed by parent rocks under extreme heat and pressure or chemical processes change form of rock. Metamorphic rock means changed forms. Slate, schist and gneiss are examples of a metamorphic rock. So, we will see about types of metamorphic rocks. Here are 4 kinds we will discuss in this class: slate, gneiss, marble and quartzite. So, let us see one by one all these type of metamorphic rocks. Marble is widely used metamorphic rock. It is the most common rock that is used for building materials and we can see in our homes also. It is formed from limestone. The limestone changes its form and it becomes marble. It is found in different colors, white being the most common. It is used to make statues and building. Taj Mahal and Agra is made of white marble. So, we know about white marble all of us. So, marble is the most common building material that is used in our houses. You can see marble is coming in different colors. We use for our kitchen slab also or our floors also, these marbles of different colors. The next is slate. It forms when shale, the sedimentary rock, bears high temperature and pressure. That means it was previously a sedimentary rock. Under high pressure and temperature, it changes into slate. Both slate and shale can be split into layers. Since it is sedimentary rocks, it is formed from the sediments and layer by layer it is deposited. So, it can split into layers. Slate is usually dark, but it can be colorful too. Black slate is used to make blackboards. Now, we can see in our schools also blackboards and handled writing tablets also. They are called slate. In our childhood, we have also used these slates for writing with chalk and practicing the letters. Slates are also used for paving floors and roof tiles. Now, they are used in roof tiles also and in paving floors also in many places. You can see the picture of slate given here. This is black color mostly. It is dark color, black it is, that is why we can use as board and we write with the help of chalk in this slate. Then the next rock is quartzite. Quartzite is a metamorphic rock composed almost entirely of quartz. It is formed from sandstone. That means sandstone is sedimentary rock. Under high pressure and temperature, it changed into quartzite. It is very hard rock and it is weather resistant also, which is used in glass and ceramic industry. It is also used for making ornaments. So, it is very much nice. Glass like ceramic industry also uses this rock, and it is used for making ornaments also. You can see the picture how nice it is looking, quartzite. That is why it is ornamental rock also. Now, next we will see about gneiss. Gneiss is a common and widely distributed type of metamorphic rock. Gneiss is formed by high temperature and high pressure metamorphic processes from granite. Granite is an igneous rock. If it is going under high pressure and temperature, it changes its form and it becomes gneiss. It has light and dark bands. It is used in building materials also. In buildings also it is used. You can see the picture of gneiss in this. Here you can see the stripes of dark and light bands are there in the gneiss rock. So, it is also used for building materials in many places, and it is also very looking nice, and it is very hard rock also. So, thank you students, this is all about metamorphic rocks. Thank you all of you.